Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Diodin from Geography Science. I will present my PPT results about the earthquake. Definition of earthquake. Earthquakes are vibrations or vibrations that occur on the surface of the earth due to the sudden release of energy from the incident, which creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are usually caused by movements of the earth's crust. The frequency of an area refers to the types and size of earthquakes experienced over a period of time. Earthquakes are measured using a seismometer. Magnitude movement is the most common scale where earthquakes occur for the entire world. The Richter scale is a scale reported by a National Seismological Observatory measured on a local magnitude of 5 magnitude. The cause of an earthquake. Most earthquakes are caused by the release of energy produced by pressure caused by moving plates. Sooner or later, the pressure gets bigger and finally reaches a condition where the pressure cannot be held anymore by the edge of the plate. What's when an earthquake will occur? Shifting of the Earth's plates can cause earthquakes because in the event accompanied by the release of large amounts of energy. In addition to shifting the Earth's plates, the motion of the Earth's plates that move away from each other can also cause earthquakes. The newly formed plate will get great pressure from the two old plates so that it will move down and cause the release of energy, which is also very large. Finally, the movements of the plates that are close together can also cause earthquake. The types of earthquake. 1. Collision earthquakes. This earthquake was caused by a collision of meteor or asteroid that fell to Earth. This type of earthquakes is rare. 2. Tectonic earthquakes. This type of earthquake that often occurs. This type of earthquake is caused by tectonic activity, which is the sudden shifting of tectonic plates, which has strayed from very small to very large. 3. A volcanic earthquake. The earthquake occurred as a result of magma activity, which usually occurs before volcano erupts. If the activity is higher, it will cause an explosion, which will also cause an earthquake. 4. Artificial earthquakes. An artificial earthquake is an earthquake caused by human activity, such as dynamite, nuclear or hammer blasting, air hammer, which are stored on the surface of the earth. The size of an earthquake. 1. The emergence of earthquake clone. This clone is upright or standing position. Its shape is like a tornado, a tree, or a trunk. The electromagnetic wave that absorbs the electric power in the clone. This is what will cause the clones to form as if they were erect. 2. Check the electronic devices in your home are experiencing stress disorder. For example, dim fluorescent lights, fax machines that blink and continue to fail during data transmission of television, the image brevet. If all that happens, it is likely that an earthquake will occur. 3. Pay attention the behavior of animal. Usually phenomena like this can happen often, whether it's the cause of global warming or there are other signs. If you have pet or many animals around where you are. The impacts of an earthquake. 1. Building damage. A high magnitude earthquake can also cause a total collapse of the building. The breeze from collapsing building is a major danger in earthquakes because the effects of heavy and large objects falling can be deadly to humans. 2. Infrastructure damage. An earthquake can cause a power line collapse. This is dangerous because explosives leaving worse can electrocute humans or ignite fires. 3. Landslides. When earthquake occurs, large rocks and parts of the land contained above can slip. As a result, landslides occur quickly down into the valley. 4. Earthquake can cause flooding. A high magnitude earthquake can trigger cracks in the dam wall, which cause the dam to collapse. 5. Earthquakes can trigger tsunami. A tsunami is a long series of sea tremors triggered by earthquakes or underwater volcanic eruption. Tsunami can arise entire coastal areas. 6. Soil disbursements. Liquefaction. Melting the soil is a phenomenon where the soil becomes soft and loses its strength. When sediments consisting of high water content experience constant vibrations. The anticipation before an earthquake happens. Make sure that the site and location of the host can be protection from the danger caused by an earthquake. Get to know the workplace environment such as paying attention to the location of doors, elevators, and emergency styles. Make routine preparations at home and work. Preparations can be started from adjusting the position of large furniture such as cabinets so that they stick to the wall. To avoid falling material during an earthquake, apply having objects at the bottom. Check the stability of dependent objects that can fall when an earthquake occurs, such as like edge. At home and at work, prepare equipment that must be available in every place, such as first aid kits, flashlight or battery lamps, radios, as well as food supplements and water. If your position is inside the building, prioritize protecting your body and head from the rubble of the building by heading under a table. If your position is outside the building or open area, stay away from buildings in the area such as buildings, electricity poles, trees, and others. If you are driving a car, it is immediately possible to get out, get down, and get away from the car when an earthquake occurs. If you are at the beach, immediately run away from the beach. The goal is to anticipate earthquakes that have the potential of tsunami. If you live in mountainous area, immediately avoid areas or high hills that allow landslides. An example of an earthquake that has occurred in Indonesia. Related to the cause of the earthquake, accompanied by a tsunami that occurred in the Donggala Palu area. It was suspended that the trigger was horizontal fall. Strike Koro Palu. Koro house motion was left sinistral. The longest magnitude they had a northwest southeast direction was estimated to have continuity with the Matano fault recorded the east. An example of an earthquake that has occurred in Indonesia, region of Donggala, Central Sulawesi, Kasmalasa, revealed that there were around 17,000 houses in the area damaged by the earthquake, tsunami, and landslides at the end of September. of the number 5025 houses were severely damaged. 5624 were moderately damaged and over 6000 were slightly damaged. Conclusion: an earthquake is an event of energy release that causes a sudden dislocation on the inside of the earth. The occurrence of an earthquake is caused by several things, including volcanic, tectonic collapse, and nuclear. The result of an earthquake that is causing damage to buildings, public facilities, and infrastructure such as roads, highways, and others. Efforts to overcome namely make building according to standards, make earthquake resistant building, especially in earthquake prone areas. Thank you for the opportunity. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.